Hello everybody. I talked a little bit about Grammarly before, and I really think that it's very helpful to assist you in your writing. You can attach it right to your Google Chrome, or you can go to the website. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the website here. As you can see, I just typed in Grammarly. Click on it here. Now I have an account. It's very easy. You can attach that to your Gmail account. It doesn't matter. Now, as you can see over here, it'll save all of your files as well. What I'm going to do just for fun is I'm going to create a new one. All right. Now I've copied and pasted something I wrote before, so we're going to paste that in there. Now, as you can see here, this is exactly what we're going through, right, in our writing books. So we have audience, formality, domain we can't do because that's premium, but we do have tone, and we have intent. Right, so depending on what type of paragraph you are going to write, this can really help you. So I'm going to go with let's just go with a general audience. I'm going to stay formal, okay. Tone, let's go with confident, all right. And then finally intent, this one here is a descriptive. It's about my garbage art, and so I'm going to, descriptive, I'm going to go with tell a story because it's more of telling a story. So this gives you these features here, and this helps you out because it will pick different words and different language to use. Now, just really quick, you can see over here, now when I copied and pasted it, the correctness, it says looking good. This gives you alerts. You can adjust your goals. I'm not going to go through that. Right now, I've got a score of 84. All right, clarity, it's very clear. It's a bit bland, meaning sort of boring. Delivery is just right. So anyway, let's go through. I'm going to push done. All right. And let's click on this. Grammar, no issues found. All right. I'm going to click on here, engagement. All right. Oh, you got to have premium for that. Delivery is just right, maybe later. So what I'm going to do, though, really quick, is let's go through and we'll change something. So my father kept. Let's check it. Change it to keep. All right, I'm going to click over here so it registers it. Look, right up here it says change the verb form. So very simply I click over here, keeps, all right, and then it says it's fine. And that's why it's not completely foolproof. You still have to know some English, but this really, really helps you clean up some of the problems. So I'm going to change that back to kept. Let's just go over something like spelling, right? I'm going to get rid of this W here. Click over here. Look at other re's. Correct your spelling. Otherwise. All right, let's get rid of this. Unfortunately, I'm going to get rid of this comma. Click over here. It's going to find it, right? Add a comma. Very simply, come over here, click, boom. Now, if you don't want it, you can delete this right here. It also, we could have a time here. So, unfortunately, over time, comma, right? And now it'll correct it. So, again, it's very, very helpful. Again, you can set your goals here. I don't know if that's for premium. And that's my son. So recording at home is not always easy. So say goodbye, Leo.
Bye.
I hope this helps you out.